Hey guys, to fix this issue, what you need to do here is to open up a file explorer. Then you need to go to this PC, then go to disk C, then go to program files x86, then go to Steam, then go to Steam apps, and then common. And here you need to find the folder of that particular game that you're trying to install. In my case, it's Banana. What you need to do here is to copy and paste that particular folder to the same folder directory with the files, game files, and everything here. And then what you need to do here, you need to remember the original name. In my case, it's just a Banana. And you just need to delete the original folder. And then you just need to rename copy to the original one, right? Like Banana. And then what you need to do here is to go back to Steam, press install, select the same drive. And yeah, that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.